Hi stained glass friends, this is David Gomm in the stained glass studio with an interesting product. Now you may recall that about a year ago we reviewed this ISO tip soldering iron, and I'll put a link to that in the video. Today the same company that does the ISO tip butane solder pro has sent us a model 8000, and here it is. Right now it's charging up, and it says that when it's fully charged the light will go green. So obviously it's not ready to fire up yet, but we can talk about it quite a bit. Look at this. Look at this tip. It's a very dinky little thing, and they say to just touch your solder to the tip. However, they do say here on the box, it says that you can get as many as, it says you can do like 900 joints. So if you're doing the lead method, it's going to be pretty good for light work like that. And one of the things that they say, if you go to iso-tip.com, you can get in touch with them, and they'll and you can buy these. But if you want to get a deal, you type in the coupon code TY2023, and you can get a 20% discount. So, woohoo, I would do that. They sent a little booklet. Here's that ISO tip butane piece. And this 8000, I think it's right here. Maybe it's before. Yeah, there it is. And the ISO, this one here, the 8000, is the most rugged, and it's very, very good machine. It says it only takes 3.5 hours to charge up. So in 3.5 hours, we'll be back. Okay, so we're back, and it's been 3 hours, and look at that. We have a green light, so that must mean this baby is ready to be used. Okay, well, on this part, I'm going to test it to see if this works. And I think I'm going to hold it pencil-like.
I like the light.
You can see it's heating up pretty well. Now that's good for tack soldering, but I think I would need something more with more what's the word I want? More mass to it. This tip is just really too small to really heat up for this type of soldering. However, Jeanne does have a really good way that this would come in handy, so we'll show you that right next. So you turn it to the on position, and then you hold your button down, and it heats right up.
So you hold it down the whole time?
Yes.
Okay.
Find what's comfortable for you. And then you only want to touch it to the very center of the tip of the iron.
Okay. We need some.
So this is Jeannie's
Maiden voyage.
so this is Jeannie's idea as to where she would use it. She would use it at a fair or something and for putting on a ring. You know, because there would be times where you might have a ring, or you might need a second ring, because some people like to have a ring to hang something on the charm. But you wouldn't have that done in advance. You would do that at the fair, and that looks pretty good, except it doesn't seem like it's centered in the...
Not centered? Oh. Does that look good?
Yeah, that looks pretty good. Thank you, friends, for being with us to look at this new product. We love stained glass, and we love having you come to our videos and making comments. We appreciate it. And we'll see you next time.